How to monetize your YouTube channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial will be under 1 minute and I will try to explain how to monetize or how to gain money from your YouTube channel. So first of all, you've built an audience and your creativity is flowing. Now you're curious about turning your YouTube channel into a revenue stream. Here are some key ways to monetize your content. First of all, the gateway to ads. This is the most common monetization method. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, which are 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the past year, and a linked AdSense account, you can enable ads on your videos, and YouTube will then display targeted ads before, during, or after your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue. But there are other ways to make money through YouTube. Did you know that? For example, channel memberships. Loyal fans can subscribe to your channel through different badges, emojis, and bonus content. Merchandise sales, brand sponsorships, and fan funding. Live streaming with super chat and super stickers. Selling online courses or products. And also remember, building an audience takes time and you gotta experiment and diversify your content. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.